Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin at the base of the crown, assess which fronds are dead versus healthy and mark each for removal. Put on gloves and eye protection, then secure a stable ladder or lift. Make sure it sits on firm ground. Start with lower, accessible fronds using loppers for small stems and a pruning saw for thicker petioles. Cut close to the trunk, but leave a short collar to avoid trunk damage. Once done, lower cut fronds carefully. Don't drop them onto people or plants. You now tackle mid-level fronds. Work one side at a time to maintain balance and visibility. If a frond is heavy, cut it in sections. First shorten the tip, then remove the base. This prevents uncontrolled swings. Maintain a two-person system where one stabilizes the ladder while the other cuts and passes pieces down. If flower or fruit stalks are present, cut them at their base to reduce pest attraction. Make sure to inspect for bird nests or cables before any cut to avoid surprises. You finish by checking the crown for remaining stubs and trimming each to a short collar of about 1/2 to 1 inch. This helps the palm heal. Clean up all debris and inspect the trunk for cuts or signs of disease. Treat fresh wounds and avoid heavy pruning if the tree is stressed. If you notice excessive sap, soft rotten tissue, or ongoing dieback, stop further pruning and contact an arborist. These are signs of infection or pest problems that need professional diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.